Hi everyone, I just wanted to send out what our upcoming theme for the end of January and throughout the first couple weeks of February is going to be. We are going to be focusing on kindness, friendship, and love. So a little general overview is that we'll begin talking about these three attributes, kindness, friendship, and love, as we move into February and Valentine's Day, and we'll talk about what it means to be kind and how to love our friends. So some books that we'll be reading are Try a Little Kindness, Can I Play Too, The Bernstein Bears' Kindness Counts, Llama Llama I Love You, and we have many more books that surround these three themes in our classroom library. Some songs we'll be singing are Rise and Shine, which we sing in our morning meeting every morning, The Fruit of the Spirit, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and Wheels on the Bus are a couple songs that we sing as we transition from our classroom to go to specials in the hallway. And in our sensory bin, we will have colorful rice. It'll be red, purple, and pink, and we'll have some cups and some scoops and some hearts for the kids to play with. And then during our group time, we are going to do a kindness jar where the kids will name acts of kindness and get to place it in a jar themselves. And we will constantly refer back to them as ways to be kind to one another in the classroom. Some crafts that we'll be doing, we will be focusing on hearts, as it is the season of love. We'll be working on shape recognition. We will do friendship bracelets, working on fine motor skills. We'll do a friendship tree where we will paint students' hands, whatever color they would like, and we'll stamp it on a piece of butcher paper to create a classroom friendship tree. We will be doing a colorful rainbow fish to kind of talk about how sharing is caring and what we can share and how we can be a good friend. We will do pom-pom painting with clothespins to talk about fine motor skills, or to work on fine motor skills. And we will do some heart stamping with some toilet paper rolls that are crunched to be the shape of a heart. Some skills we will be assessing as we do some of these crafts. We will be working on fine motor skills, such as students' grips with the paintbrush, crayons, or markers. We'll be doing color recognition, specifically focusing on red, purple, and pink. We'll be doing shape recognition with the hearts and number recognition. We will have a matching numbers with hearts to the correct number. In our dramatic play throughout the classroom, in the kitchen area, students will be able to cook food together. They can bake cookies and sit at the table and eat together. We will have dress up where students can dress up in costumes and use their imagination to pretend to be firefighters or princesses and a couple of other things. With some toys, I know that some of our boys like to pretend to be firefighters with the fire trucks or construction men with the dump trucks. We also have vacuum cleaners and lawnmowers that they love to use to either clean the carpet or pretend that the carpet is grass and mow the lawn. We will also have baby dolls, which we will practice with at circle time, how we can use gentle hands and how we can be kind to our babies, and students will also be able to dress up, feed, and take care of their babies. So our specials this week, on Monday and Thursday, we will have the same schedule of music and either Bible or library. And then on Tuesday and Wednesday, we will have the same schedule of Motor Lab and Spanish. These are some pictures of some crafts that we had mentioned before. So this one over here is the rice in the sensory bin with some scoops and some hearts. And students love that. They have so much fun scooping it and dumping it out and burying things in the rice. And then this is our number matching activity where there are numbers on hearts and then there's hearts drawn on the butcher paper and students will match the correct number to the correct heart. This is our colorful fish, sharing is caring. So an example that students could say was, I am a good friend because I share my toys. We will work on letter recognition of students' names. So we'll cut out pieces of a heart and put students' names on them, and then they will get to spell their name, and it'll complete the heart. This activity down here is the pom-pom painting with the clothespin and a pom-pom on the end, and they will get to paint with that to either fill in a heart or just do it on another regular piece of paper. And then here is the friendship tree, where students will get to pick their color that they would like their hand to be and stamp it on the tree to create our friendship tree. Some of the school's upcoming events: on February 8th, we have Spirit Day, where students can dress up in school attire and they don't have to wear their uniforms. And then on February 13th, that's a Monday, so for our Monday-Wednesday class, you will have your classroom Valentine's Day party. And then for our Tuesday-Thursday bunch, your party will be on Tuesday, February 14th. So this is just a general idea, but if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.